In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a Temu affiliate and a Temu affiliate program account creator. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to click the link in the description below. They will be both available for Temu and for Pinterest. So I am going to show you how to do it from zero to mastery. So now, after you click the link in the description below, you will be redirected to Temu, as you can see. In order to do affiliate marketing and to be an affiliate, just scroll all the way down until you find the company info, affiliate and influence, earn commission. Now you can click on it in order to enroll in the affiliate marketing program. And there you have it. Now, after you have clicked on it, you will be redirected to this page. They will give you $2 as a gift, so you can claim it. And also, there are other gifts you will have also again. So let's go ahead, close out of this. As you can see, this is the cash account. All your earnings will be available here. And as you can see, for new app users, you get from 10 to 30 commission and $5 as a download reward. And also, these are the referrals you can get. This will provide various benefits from your referrals and begin sharing now to earn your money, as you can see, as a coupon, exclusive deals, and save big deals. So as you can see, this is the interface. Temu gets you a chance to show you how to learn. As you can see, you can earn from this. You can join the rank and race also. And then you can track your earnings at the right side. As you can see, now if we scroll down, these are the referrals we can get. You can share the link, get referrals, and then earn commissions from the referrals you get. So this is an easy process. Now, when you land in this interface, you can start creating right away. So make sure you have an image of the coupon code or the deal you are going to be sharing. We are going to be using Pinterest to share our coupon code or the link to our affiliate there and earn money from the referrals that come from Pinterest. So as you can see, also there is another thing. You can invite affiliates. Invite one gets you $13, and each invite will get you $13 as well. So they earn $12 from you, and then you earn from them a 20% secondary commission. If he is a new app user, he gets a $5 download reward and $10 to $13 commission. So after that, you can invite new affiliates via your invitation link and start earning now, and you can get an extra $2. So there is so much money to be made in this app. So go ahead and do all of these things that I showed you. Now this is the link that you can copy and share with your friends, and also to make them affiliates, and you can earn from their earnings as well. So you can copy the link from there, or you can just copy it here and then send a message to them. Now let's go ahead and go back to the affiliate program, which is the menu. All you have to do is to go up and then go to the far left side, click on affiliate, and let's start earning. And I will show you how to get the URLs that you are going to be using. So in order to use commission URLs and drag referrals to your link and earn money from it, all you have to do is to go ahead, scroll down, and if you want to withdraw, the minimum amount to withdraw is $15. So you will have to get $15 in order to withdraw. This is the first link you can share to get money also. This is a $100 coupon code. So go ahead, copy it. And here, let's go down. These are the referrals that you can do to get money. The $100 coupon code, the exclusive deal, and the save big deal. All of these can be found here. As you can see, this is the third and save big deal. All users can enjoy incredible discounts and save big time. So you can get the link and post it in a community that needs Shopify or Temu discount codes. So you can get here the link, share it there, and then you earn the referrals. As you can see, this is for new app users, and this one is the $100 coupon code. As you can see now, it's already copied to our clipboard, but if you want to copy it more, just click here or at the bottom. Now let's go ahead, start sharing it on Pinterest. So in order to do that, just go ahead, find a Temu coupon code picture. So I'm just going to take it from images right there. Let's say, for example, this one. I'm just going to use it to post on Pinterest. So go ahead, copy it. Let's download it and then hit save. And now let's go ahead back to our Pinterest. You will find the link in the description below. So now when you enter this web page, just make sure you have an account, or if you don't, you can also just register. It's so easy to do, and then follow up with me. Now I also have an account, so I just click on login, and from here you can see all type of posts that people are posting, so you can check an idea how Pinterest works. This is your account. You can always come back to it. Now let's go ahead, type in, for example, coupon, and see what kind of images that pops up. As you can see, people are already posting on it, the 50 plus best coupon websites. Now click on create to do just like them. And from here, just drag the image we have downloaded as the coupon code for Temu. Let's choose this. And also, if the sizing is smaller, you can go ahead download a bigger picture. So let's go back and then go to this. This looks more bigger. And then just right click and save as in the device. Now let's go back. Let's upload the same image that we have downloaded. And there you have it. Now the image is all good to go. You can add a title. For example, Temu, $100 coupon code. So this will act as the title for the customers to see. And here just copy all of this text, as you can see, and paste it in the description. So let's go back, paste it here, and drag one of the links that are available there. So let's go ahead, choose this, copy it, hit Ctrl C, and then go down, go to link and paste it here. And for brand, just go ahead, type whatever you want for board, for example, coupon, click on create, and then create this board. Now for tags, you can type in coupon, codes, or money, free, whichever codes that customers are looking for to get their Temu coupon code. So go ahead and write all the tags, for example, one by one. If you find it here, just choose it. I'm just showing you how to do it. So for example, this, then type in coupon, for example, it will pop up for you. You have to choose this because it's mandatory. And there you have it. You have now some codes to use and some tags. So go ahead, choose this again. And when you are all done with it, just make sure everything is written correctly. And just go ahead, publish to the Pinterest website. And there you have it. You have now published it, and customers can integrate with your link, and you can earn referral commissions from them. There is also other ways you can do it. If you go ahead, click on this, you can find other ways you can submit your coupon code in your coupon site. So if we go to a coupon site that has codes in it, and let's say, for example, this one, you can register and then post your codes and your links that has you the codes, and therefore Temu. You can just do it easily, just log in, register, and then earn from posting them here. You can find it here at the company, for example, at careers or another place on another website. So you can also benefit from this. There is other ways. You can just take the link and post it on your bio. So let's go back, click out of this and click on here. You can see that you can post the link on your Instagram bio if you have a lot of followers that can engage with the link and enter Temu through you. There is also my link, so you can paste the link to your post and your fans can enter the post and enter the link, and you can earn commissions from them. And there is also, you can send to your friends. This is more easy, and if you have so many friends, you can profit from it in no time. So now, after you are done all of that, if you want to track your commissions and earnings, it's easy. Just go back here, then click on data center, and from here you can find all of your earnings, which link had your money and which don't. You can scroll down and find, for example, the link for the $100 coupon code, how many earnings it has, and you are all good to go. So this was an easy and quick process video. Now you know exactly how to become a Temu affiliate step by step. We have covered all of these steps. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. So I will also leave the Temu affiliate link and all the links in the description below so you can sign up and start earning today. So thank you so much for watching. Keep growing and I will see you in the next video.